What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Kadeja. Welcome to my channel. If you aren't new, then welcome back to another video. We are back with another hair tutorial, and today we're working with LUVME Hair. This is their packaging. I'm just going to show you guys what I received inside my package today. So it is officially the holiday seasons, and of course we are celebrating LUVME Hair today. And let me show you guys what I received in my package. First of all, we received a cute Christmas goodie bag in our package. Let's see what's inside. So I received a user guide, received a goodie bag with some nails and some eyelashes. And we also received some Merry Christmas stickers. I definitely will be putting this on my gifts that I got. This is it, y'all. I love it. So this is the wig that we'll be working with today. This is a 20-inch 5x5 mixed color body wave wig with a bang, and this is it. I really do love this color already. This is it. It's a 5x5 lace. The strap is already attached. It comes pre-plucked, ready to be installed. If you want to get this wig, the link is in my description, so go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. If you want to get any other wigs from LUVME Hair, the website is in my description as well, so go ahead and make your purchase. Remember to look out for the coupons and the discounts in my description. Go ahead and make your purchase. This is our wig for today. 20-inch 5x5 body wave wig with a bang. This is it. This is it. Comes pre-plucked, ready to be installed. So I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into the installation. I won't be wearing a wig cap for my install, but I will be putting my wig grip strap on. And this is also a side part unit, so I definitely will be putting my lace in the side. Now I'm about to put my wig on, and again the unit comes fully customized, pre-bleached, pre-plucked, ready to be installed. The strap is already attached to the unit. Everything is pretty much done to the unit already. This is it. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some foundation to the lace, and then we put our wig on. Okay guys, so this is what our wig is looking like. Honestly, I'm in love with this wig, and that's all I can say about this unit. The fact that it comes fully customized. Right now we're about to do a glueless install, and the only thing we need to do with this unit is to basically cut the lace off. It is that simple, it is that easy. The wig comes fully customized, and I am in love with this unit. This is it. The knots are given bleached, and I love it. I love this little bang that we got going on. It is super cute. I love it. It fits my head so good. Like, it's just sitting on my head. It's just sitting there. It's not moving. Honestly, I love this unit. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. Again, this wig is from LUVME Hair. This is their 20-inch 5x5 mixed color body wave with the bang in the front, and I love this unit. So go ahead and make your purchase. If you want to get any other hair from LUVME Hair, the website is in my description as well. Go ahead and make your purchase. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. Alright guys, so I just cut the excess lace off and that's it for this unit. I'm just gonna go ahead and make my curls. Honestly, I do not need to do anything to this unit. The hairline looks super realistic, super natural, and I definitely want to keep it that way. This is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and make my curls. That is it. Honestly, if I was to rate this unit like straight out the box, I would definitely give it a 10. All I did was to cut the excess lace off and this is it. It's giving laid, it's giving natural, and I definitely love this unit. All that's left to do is to basically get some curls on this unit, and we're gonna go ahead and do that. If you want to get this wig, the link is in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some of my Paul Mitchell Skinny Serum to this hair to give it a little bit more silkiness and a little bit more moisture. I really do love this serum. It is super thick, but it is also super lightweight on my wigs, and I love how it makes my wigs look and feel. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply a little bit to my hair to give it a little bit more moisture. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. This is it. It is super cute. This is it. The curls are given body wave. This is it. I love how this turned out. It is super cute. The curls are given. This is it. Super bouncy. Again, this wig is from LUVME Hair. This is their 20-inch 5x5 mixed colored body wave wig with a bang, and this is it. Super cute. This is it. Curls are super bouncy. You can see the volume. This is it. If you want to get this wig, the link is in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. If you want to get any other products from LUVME here, the website is in my description as well. Go ahead and make your purchase. This is the finished look. This is where I leave you guys for today. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in another video.